So your HP printer's printing lines or streaks across your documents and you don't know how to fix them. Don't worry, it's almost always fixable. Most of the time, it's just your printhead that needs a good cleaning because it's gotten clogged up with dried ink or dust. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete step-by-step process of cleaning your HP printhead so you can get those clean, perfect prints again. Or, if you still need extra help along the way, you can call the numbers displayed on the screen for one-on-one assistance. Otherwise, let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Before we start the printhead cleaning process, make sure you've got everything you need. Grab your cleaning solution kit, a few dry paper towels, and a medium-sized container. Now, go to your printer screen and touch the ink icon to check your ink levels. You can also print out a test page to see exactly which color is causing the problem. That way, you know which nozzles to focus when you're cleaning. Alright, so to begin the actual printhead cleaning process, you need to first open the front cover of your printer. Now, carefully remove all the ink cartridges from the printhead. Just pull them straight out. They should come out pretty easily. Okay, here's the next part. Lift up the gray lever you see in there. Then, carefully take the printhead assembly out of the printer. Just lift it straight up and out. We're halfway there. Now, let's continue with the actual cleaning part. Also, please subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this. So, it's time to fill up your syringe with the cleaning solution. Once it's full, attach the plastic tube to one of the nozzles on the printhead. Make sure it's secure. Once that tube is properly attached, slowly and gently push the cleaning solution all the way through the nozzle. You're flushing out all the dried ink and junk that's been clogging things up. Note, you need to repeat the exact same cleaning procedure for all the nozzles on your printhead. If you're having problems with a specific ink color, focus on cleaning that extra well. Once you've cleaned all the nozzles and you're done with the solution, you need to properly wipe and dry the entire printhead using the dry paper towels. Make sure there's no moisture left on it at all. After you've cleaned the printhead, you need to let it sit and dry for around 24 hours. Alright, after 24-hour wait is over, you can go ahead and attach the printhead back to its place in the printer. Once it's back in there and everything is reconnected, you're all done. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.